Amanda caught seaweed, followed by a grouper.
Yeah!
He's just a little fella. He's so cute and edible when he gets bigger. Good job, Panda. You're hired. All right.
Catch and release, baby.
Well, we did. How long was the plug in the water?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. First fish in 2 minutes.
Woohoo!
Oh, I think he got me rocked up. Oh man, that was a nice fish. I can't believe he came out. Oh man. Now he's up. Oh yeah. Y'all ready for this?
Woohoo! Nice.
Up and in. That is how you catch a legal grouper. He crushed it, and we were over the spot. And what I mean when I say we were over the spot, we were past it. We had driven over it, past. And I was just getting ready to tell Panda to bring him in so we'd turn around and go do another pass. And he freaking just whacked it. It's a big fish.
That's awesome.
Some of these you don't have to worry about.
Congratulations.
Because you know they're legal. Oh yeah. Panda's kicking ass, which is totally normal for Panda. Excuse the shaky camera.
Yeah. Look at that groupie. Nice.
Holy cow.
I got rocked up for a second, but he came out. Woo. Yeah, buddy. Grouper.
That's what's for dinner. This one's a little tricky because the hooks are right next to my hand. If you've ever been hooked by one of these, you'll know what I'm talking about. Better death grip them. That's a good way to ruin a fishing trip. I don't know if he's legal, Panda. He's close.
We'll measure him.
Now, for those of you that don't know, these fish do not need a lot of structure at all. And if I showed you my bottom machine, where the hell did we put the ruler? If I showed you my bottom machine, that fish came off a rock the size of a basketball. I can get him to lay flat so we get a good measurement. There's the nose. Oh, a ½ inch short. He is a ½ inch short.
You get to go back into the water. Let me get a close up of him. Whoa, he says, I'm gone.
So much for having a nice, pretty, pretty fish to show off to the camera. It's all right. That we basically caught that fish off of nothing. To be honest with you, there's a couple of really big big rocks up here that I really want to get to. And from my buddy Captain Adam Whitston riding the Tide Charters, this has been the go-to bait. That's a Rapala Stretch 20. It's black and purple, and all of our big fish have been caught on this, except for the first legal fish wasn't, but this has been fantastic the last 3 weeks. That's 60 pound fluoro leader, and if you look at my leaders, they're ridiculously long. It goes all the way down into the thing. So there you go. We're doing pretty good. Had good weather, Really good weather. This is perfect. And I'm gonna go run about a mile from here and check out a spot I've not been to yet.
Whoa.
Neutral.
We were going to our next spot and we saw something on the surface. So Rob picked up his smaller rod and threw a couple times and bam!
Oh, look at all the mackerel. Holy smokes, look at them all. Come up here on the deck, man. Look at all the mackerel.
Oh, yeah.
I hope you guys can see that on camera. Wow, there was a bunch of them. That's a pretty good size one too.
Oh,
You need to,
action
you need
behind
to
us.
grab your rod, Amanda. Grab your bait cast rod and lob that thing over there. Oh no, it's a bonita.
I was just gonna say it's a pretty bonita.
Oh yeah. All right, I found a new spot. I don't know if you can see us, how bright the sun is, but I found a new spot, and we're gonna troll this sucker, and hopefully we get some fish. Engage my autopilot here so I don't have to steer. Because technically, so I can steer better, I should say. All right, line's in. Autopilot, like that. Head holding like that. 10, 20 degrees. Okay. We'll see how we do here. So what I'm doing here with the autopilot, it's a much more smooth, controlled turn than what I can do manually. So I mark a whole bunch of, drop a whole bunch of pins right on top of the structure, and what I found is generally the structure will run north and south or east and west or whatever, but it runs in a line out here. Once I get the once I get all my pins in place, I use the autopilot to actually adjust course, so I don't actually touch the steering wheel. Although I do have control a little bit, I can swing it a little bit, it will let me steer. So we made a whole bunch of loops back and forth. We got this spot marked, and the closer I get, I'm zooming in with my GPS. Way in, like down to 50 feet, if you know what that is. There's a little cursor and it goes 200, whatever, 50 feet, quarter mile, whatever. I'm zooming way in, and I'm actually hitting the autopilot 10 degrees, and it actually is going to steer me nice and smooth right over top of our spots. 29 feet of water, we got 20-foot plugs. I'm thinking I wish we had 25-foot plugs. That's a really good mark though, really good mark. That's good enough to dive on. I'm out here when the water temperature cools off and it clears up. That's definitely good enough to dive on. Let's see what we can get here. So again, I'm on the map right now. Zooming in the closer we get, and then I'm doing 10-degree turns with the autopilot.
What did I catch? Was that a little bluefish?
Yeah.
We went through some bonita, and I thought maybe it was a baby bonita, but it was a bluefish. Reminded me of a jack.
This is good too. It gives you another view, right? The more times you run back and forth over a spot, the more you realize what the spot actually looks like underwater, which is good. And we are literally going right over the middle of this. This spot runs northeast and southwest, and basically going across the southwest right now. And then if you look on the chart here, Panda, see it? See it? The line running on the side scan. Well, let's see what happens with this pass. What do you think? I'm ready to run in.
Yeah.
We went over that spot. It's a fantastic spot, but nothing wants to come play today, so that's fine. Cedar Key is somewhere out there. Can't see it right now. Did see it earlier. That tells you exactly where we're at. Power plant, Cedar Key. We're right here. Oh, see if we can't go find some other spots in closer. Catch a bonita or something. Those are fun. Nobody's here. I can't believe it. The weather's fantastic.
Yeah.
Amanda made me a rum drink, so that's fantastic too.